How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm kind of just hopping into it today. Didn't have any little b-roll clips for you. If you watched the last episode, you'll know that I got pretty close on getting the turn signals on the front bumper working. However, I'm waiting on a resistor now for the LED conversion. Since it doesn't have a halogen bulb, I have to kind of do some wiring shenanigans to make the LEDs light up at the right time. Basically, I just need to resist the signal from the car to make the computer think that there's a halogen bulb. So the Mustang is pretty much bricked right now. I mean, I could drive it like to the store or whatever, but I can't go on like long voyages or anything like that. So kind of just like sitting outside. But the turn signals are mounted on the bumper. I think it looks pretty good. And the turn signals will light up in a sequence, which is what I really like about these, because obviously the Mustang has that iconic sequential turn signal on the back, but I thought it would be really cool if I could have that sequential on the front. So now I do have it. I'm just kind of waiting on a couple more parts to make it drivable. So in the meantime, while I'm waiting on parts, Jason actually has some lights for his car, and they're sequential lights for his mirrors. So I'm gonna come in here and yell at Jason real quick. Jason, we got work to do.
What are we doing?
What do you think we're doing?
Just your car with your friends.
No, not right now.
Okay.
This dude. My battery's dead.
It was so close.
Damn it. Somehow I knew that my battery was gonna be dead because last night we just did so much testing with the lights and I had to leave the key in the ignition for so long. I knew I should have started it for a little bit and then I didn't. I don't know why. That was kind of stupid. Jason's gonna go ahead and give me a jump start real quick so I can pull the Mustang into the garage for just a second so that way I can do a little bit more wire tucking. Then we're gonna work on his car, but it's gonna take just a minute. I'm sorry, boys. I knew she would. Okay, so before we do Jason's car, I just want to make sure that some of these wires in here are tucked away a little better, because this is just like hanging basically, and if I drive this car somewhere, I don't want wires to be dangling on the ground. So I need to figure out where I put the little stud for this. I think it's like right up here somewhere, but I'm just gonna root around in there, figure out where this bolts on, and then just put it on there. You'll never know it's there. If you watch this video, you'll know it's there. Oh, I got it. Everything I make works, except when it doesn't. That's very temporary. Don't worry that you can see wires. It's just a rough mock-up because I don't know where this needs to go. There we go. Should be able to drive it now, I think. Okay, now the fog lights should work. Turn signals still won't work, but the fog lights should work. So most of the wiring worked. It's just I need that resistor for the turn signals, and then the turn signals will work too. That's looking pretty good. If I do say so myself, looking pretty good. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and pull this out of here, and then we're gonna pull Jason's car in and do a mod on Jason's car. Because I told you guys the build was only done for now. Because Jason said it was done, and I was like, it's never done. We've got Jason's car in the garage, somewhat. Enough. So we're going to be installing these little turn signal markers for the side mirrors. It's going to be pretty great, pretty easy. Pretty much just plug and play. You just kind of pop them off and pop them in, right?
It's supposed to be easy.
Jason's going to be taking the reins today because I've been doing way too much in the last day or two, and it's his car, and I'm just not feeling it, so I'm just going to be recording him.
Sounds like you just break everything, but it's just these little clips. And then this dude is what controls the little motor. Well, no, this dude is what gets controlled by the little motor in there. And then you just gotta make sure not to break this, but it's not that hard. Okay, get that down, and just one more.
There we go.
Then your cap is off.
No cap.
No cap. Easy enough.
Okay, now you just unplug that bad boy right there.
Just gonna push that in. Oh, piece of cake. Okay, no. I need a tiny little Torx.
Like an impact?
just tiny Torx.
Oh my god.
Like micro Torx.
I'm gonna take 30 seconds to decide where to put the screw.
Shut up. It's gonna be a lot easier with a ratchet.
Yeah, well, I said I could get you a ratchet and you said no, so you're gonna twist it out by hand.
You said you couldn't find your ratchet.
No, I didn't. I could have found it. I just needed a second. Now manhandle it, Jason.
No.
Manhandle it.
Not how this works.
Did you watch a video on it or did you just send it?
Nah, everyone just said it's supposed to be pretty easy, and I'm like, alright, sick.
What did I tell you? You always watch videos, dude.
No, we are the videos.
Yeah, but this is like a... This is a common mod. This isn't just like something no one's ever done before.
No, this is very common. Alright, shall we consult the YouTubes?
Yes, this is what I told you to start with. By the way, guys, my Snapchat DMs are super dry and I want to change that. So add me on Snapchat, please, and message me because I have no friends. Everybody just leaves me on open. My friends are totally lame. Love you guys, but you guys suck at messaging me back. Like, please Snapchat me. And Jason too. Well, maybe not Jason. Snapchat me.
We're going to be going over dynamic turn signals. The mirror LED right here, this strip is going to be replaced with these dynamic ones right here. Also, something to be aware of, these screws are pretty small, and if you drop them down into this housing, you may have to take off way more than you bargained for initially if you drop them in there.
Don't drop them in there, Jason.
They're in my pocket. Okay, thanks, Paul. I think I got it. She do be really stuck in there, though. So these are smoked and they're sequential. This one only has one LED right there that reflects out over all of this. Wow, this one has like 20 or something going all the way across there.
Yes, sir.
Because we just kind of just throw her in.
He's coming around the left side. He's coming in for the moon. He clicks. The left side of the sequencer is in place. Now all we have left to do is the right side. Can he make it? He pushes with his thumbs. The left side comes undone. Jason comes back with a thumb. Also, the guy in the video said that, like, if you drop it, you might have to take some stuff apart, but, like, you could just get a magnet. Like, where's it gonna go?
Yeah, I think a magnet would suffice for sure. This is always a pain to get on. This one likes to stick in. When I put these on the first time when I got the mirror caps, I had to readjust it a couple times. Here we go.
Is that it?
Yeah, I think she's on.
Now we gotta get the mirror glass.
Which is relatively simple. You just gotta put this in first so it goes in the little motor thing, and then clip your clips. And I don't think I've broken any, which is good. All right, shall we do a comparison?
Yes. Turn on your hazard lights. Let's see this hazard. Ooh, already you can tell that side has the lame thing. Wait, do that again. Oh, look at that. Turn the hazards on. Whoa, that's sick looking. Come look at this. Stock. Dink, dink, dink. Aftermarket.
And it matches the headlights too.
Yes, sir.
So you can see how this one looks all like hazy and weird because it's literally one light.
Yeah.
So like once it gets out here, like it just looks like crap.
Yeah, dude, it looks like dog shit.
And the clear lens is whatever.
I mean, yeah, I don't mind the clear. At least it's not like red or something.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, that's hot. You got a lot of sequencing going on. This is a little bit chaotic. Honestly, I'm not sure if I would get the sequencer if I had the sequencing headlights, just because it's a lot happening.
I'm gonna try this for scientific purposes. I've heard you can just go in above the mirror to push these clips without taking the mirror out.
Oh my god.
So we're just gonna try that. Because that's what Paul did in his video. So
Oh lord.
we are going to try that. On second thought, it's not gonna work. We're just gonna take the mirror out.
Oh my god.
Feels like I break it every time.
Yeah, I hate that. I hate doing side mirror
It's
stuff.
so bad.
Stop putting your face in front of
I have to see what's going on. Okay, I'm gonna put my face in front of
it.
it.
Oh my god, dude. Now make sure you don't let it fall in there. You might have to disassemble the whole mirror. You don't want to do that.
Hey, Paul's a nice guy. He's not necessarily wrong. Unless somehow it gets like, I don't know.
It decomposes in there.
It decomposes.
Yeah,
At that point, you just have to get a new one.
Unless somehow it spontaneously combusts inside the mirror. You have to take the whole thing apart to get the shrapnel out of there.
Oh, God.
Yep.
Oh, that was cake.
See, I know a thing or two. You think I'm stupid, but I know a thing or two.
Or maybe I just did it a little better because I did it already.
Nah.
Nah? You think your teasing me was helping me get it done better?
Yeah. I'm your coach. Now run a lap. You're gonna run laps until you die. And then when all the other ones are running laps, we're gonna spit on your grave. If this video gets 100 likes, I'll make Jason
Hey, whoa.
No, it might. See, if this video gets 100 likes, I'll make Jason take a lap.
Define lap.
Like, we're gonna go to the high school here in Corvallis, and you're gonna take a lap.
How many likes do your videos usually get?
I don't know, like 60 to 70? But I definitely have some that have more than 100 likes, so if this video gets 100 likes, Jason and I both.
Alright, fair.
I'll do a lap with you. Actually, we could race.
No, I'll lose.
You might not. I'll go easy on you. If this video gets 100 likes, Jason and I will take a lap.
Oh, goodness.
Take a lap!
Give me that.
That's left.
Shut up. I know what I'm doing.
I got that on camera.
I was just making sure it threads in correctly.
By turning it to the left?
Yeah, so that you don't like try to force it and like cross thread it.
I've never done that in my life.
You never like screw a cap on like a jar of peanut butter, but by turning it left first, so that it like clicks down and then you can go right.
Yeah, on a jar of peanut butter, but
yeah, there we go.
That's different. These aren't peanut butter lids, bro. These are screws. The threads are on the outside. The lid is the part that's being held still. It clicks into place when you hold it up straight. Oh my god, don't shush me. It took you like 20 minutes to put this on here.
I don't need your logic.
Actually, no, this one went a lot quicker. We're only at like 7 minutes on this side. And then after editing and stuff, and me clipping out all the dumb stuff that Jason says.
Hey!
It'll
Says you.
And the dumb things I say too, yeah. There we go, good.
Heck.
Dude, that's sick.
All sequential everything.
I really like that, my dude. Another mod down. The all-track build is not done.
I actually have a couple more ideas. So.
Good. Go ahead.
You want to rip apart my interior?
Rip apart your interior? Of course I want to rip apart your interior.
I have a little teaser.
Oh, what? He didn't even tell me about this.
I think I told you about it a while ago. I've had it just chilling in here for quite some time.
Yeah, it's been in there so long, it's
become one with the car.
It's become one. Oh shoot, it's the trash truck. I need to move the garbage cans down.
Oh no, let's go now. Let's do this first.
Okay, the cans are out. Oh, he got the trash! Oh my god, you slam dunked the trash.
Taillights!
Yeah! Funky taillights. Since Jason just wants to be a European so bad, he makes his car look like he lives in England. What is that?
It's called the super pin.
A super pin?
Yeah.
Is this a bullet that could kill Superman?
No, that's kryptonite.
Is it made? It could be made of kryptonite, dude, and then Batman could kill Superman
I think
theoretically.
it's made of billet aluminum.
What is it for?
Shifter, except in the car.
Oh, the wiggly part?
It's the pin that the shift like rod sits on.
So that way it
the one
wiggle?
that's in there is plastic and utter crap.
I think you've been wearing it down too, because it feels wigglier than the last time I drove it, like months ago.
Maybe, but this reduces all of that. But we have to take apart the entire like center console area thing.
Easy.
But if
money.
anybody can do it, it's you, because I'm terrified to do that myself. So.
Dude, I mean, if you guys have been watching for a while, you know that like I'm pretty good at pulling apart interior panels on cars. I mean, I've pulled out almost the entire dash on the Mustang several times, so I'm actually really excited about that.
All-track build is not complete.
Yes, it's never complete.
Coming up.
Yeah, and then Golf R Turbo, and then
downpipes.
Yeah, downpipes.
Stage 2 tune, cracks and pops.
Yeah, exactly. 6-speed sequential transmission. So you can no-lift shift.
Oh my goodness.
Rear-wheel drive swap.
There are tunes you can just no-lift shift with.
Coilovers, wide body, bags.
It's already a wide body, see?
Oh yeah, that's cute. I keep doing this thing where I get all the way to the end of the edit and then I realize that I didn't record an outro for the video. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Everything that you guys just watched was recorded a couple days ago, and so I just spent all of today recording another upcoming video that I'm about to start editing after I upload this. So I'll finally be giving you guys an update on the Mustang turn signals and everything going on with that. It kind of took me a little bit to get the parts that I needed, so I hope you guys understand why there's been kind of a delay with the Mustang content, but it is coming. I promise. I know a lot of you guys, or most of you guys really are here for the Mustang, but I also have other builds on the channel that I need to make videos about too. So I hope that you guys are at least maybe learning something new, maybe about cars that you didn't know about, or the cars that maybe you weren't interested in. I think one of my biggest pet peeves is when I talk to somebody in the car community and they're like, oh, you're just a Mustang guy, or like you're just a muscle car guy. And I always just feel like I'm kind of just a car guy. Like I really like cars. I know I have a Mustang, and that's mostly because I like the Mustang platform, but I could also get down with like a freaking BRZ or like a GTI or tons of different cars. Like I wouldn't say that I'm super biased for any one car. I kind of just really like building cars. So I don't know, I'm kind of ranting. It's pretty late at night, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video nonetheless, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and dream big.